Hey, this is Marcus and Aaron, and we want to talk about all the ways that you can use the 10 Minutes to Transform program that we have spent so much time and energy on.
Yeah, so first of all, happy New Year's Eve. Tomorrow's New Year's Day. We're getting excited. But yeah, so the 10 Minutes to Transform, it can be just 10 minutes. Let's say you're just getting started. This is going to be perfect for you. 10 minutes, bite-sized chunks for 30 days straight. We got your active recovery covered. We got your conditioning covered. We got your full body covered, upper body, lower body, all that stuff. But what if they want more?
If you want more, we have that all laid out for you. So we have this plan where you can double up on those workouts. So you can do 10 minutes, 20 minutes, even 30 minutes, or 50 minutes if you want to. So it's really up to your abilities, your technical know-how, your technical skill, and it's going to be based on what equipment you have access to. So we try to give you as many different options as possible, so that way there is no excuse. You have dumbbells, you have kettlebells, we've got you covered.
And because it's the holidays, we provided a cornucopia of exercises. But seriously, we've gone through huge spectrum of movement, right? All the planes of motion and all the different modalities that kettlebellkings.com offers, that living.fit offers. We've touched every single one of them for you so you can really see the breadth and the depth of movements that you can do. We've even provided a movement library. Talk about the movement library a little bit.
So we broke down the different movement patterns and then how you can incorporate those different tools, how you can progress with them, so that way you can get even more from the workout. So it's not just a fat loss program. It's not just a strength building program. It's really an overall how we can get you stronger, leaner, and moving better than ever.